Student, take out chapter 1, page number 6, question number B. So rewrite the sentence in your notebook using the instructions in the bracket. So before that, let me explain to you what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And there are 4 kinds of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory and imperative sentence. So let me first explain to you the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence states a fact or an idea or an opinion. It can either be positive or negative. So many sentences we speak or write are of this kind, and we use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Declarative sentence is also known as a statement. For example, Reg had never heard anything like this before. So this is declarative sentence. Next is interrogative sentence. Interrogation means to ask question. So the question may be asked for information, confirmation or denial of a statement. So we generally use a question mark at the end of the sentence. For example, what is your name? Who are you? Where do you live? So these are questions. So this type of sentence are called interrogative sentence. Next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings of happiness or joy or sorrow, disappointment or even pain. So we use an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. For example, hooray, we have won the game. Alas, she is dead. So these are the exclamatory sentence. The next one is imperative sentence. These sentences are generally used to give orders or to make requests. We use a full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, switch on the light, switch off the light, open the door. So this means that I am giving you orders. And another way is to make requests. Please switch on the light, please switch off the light, please open the door, please give me a glass of water. So these are imperative sentences. That means you are giving orders or making requests. So now come to question number 1 of sub number B. It is a holiday tomorrow. You have to convert it into exclamatory sentence. So hooray, we have hooray, tomorrow is a holiday. So it is a holiday tomorrow. We have to convert it into exclamatory sentence. So we write hooray, tomorrow is a holiday. Number 2, you want someone to hold your bag. You have to convert it into imperative. So you can write in this way. You can make a request. Please hold this bag for me. Number 3, your neighbors have gone on a vacation. You have to convert it into declarative sentence. So you write, my neighbors have gone on a vacation. Then number 4, you want to warn your friend not to sit on a freshly painted bench. You have to convert it into exclamatory. So you write, stop, don't sit on the bench. It has been freshly painted. Next, number 5, you want to know how far it is to the nearest town. You have to make it into interrogative sentence. So you have to ask question. How far is it to the nearest town? Put a question mark. Then question number 6, your friend Mala's birthday is tomorrow. You have to convert it into declarative sentence. So you write, it is Mala's birthday tomorrow. Hope you have understood. Thank you very much.